Here we have the Honor Magic V2, and as much as this is just a quick unboxing and super early impressions, I have to say I'm glad it's finally here. Now, unboxing wise, Honor have actually kept this nice and simple but still elegant enough. You do get the phone in there. I've got the black color, you've got the USB-C cable, and it does come with a standing case, which is really nice, especially considering it's a foldable. Now, there is no charger in the box, which is quite strange of Honor, but that's just something to put out there. And price of it during this release period of time is £1,699. So there's some extras that comes with it, with things like the Bang & Olufsen headphones, 6 months of screen protection, and also Honor supercharged power adapter, which is up to 66 watts. So again, missing out on the charger, get it at this time, and that's something that comes with it. That out of the way, for all the phones and stuff I get access to, foldables are definitely my favorite. And you would probably remember that you would have seen early coverage of the Honor V2 way back in July. Those were pre-production models, and you did see some more coverage of it when it came to around September, October. Again, that was not the global version. So this is the one that has the Google services that we can use it the way that we intend to use it. And I'm excited for it. This is one foldable that I've just been waiting to get hands on with. And of course, my review styles for this year is definitely a lot different. We're focusing and doubling down a lot on the comparison stuff. So let me know if you want to see this against the likes of things like the Pixel Fold that I've been using, maybe the OnePlus Open if I get that in, and of course the Fold 5, because this Honor Magic V2, there's a lot going for it that, yeah, still catches my eye. What is it about the design that really stands out? It's the thinness. Like, once it's open, it's like 4.7 millimeters thin and 9.9 millimeters thin. And of course, the form factor, it's a 20:9 aspect ratio, basically feeling no different to a normal phone. And at the time, the rise to claim for the V2 was the fact that it was actually lighter than an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yeah, so I can't wait to get more time with it to see how it goes. The build quality and the design, yeah, that's an ambitious one for how thin they're making it. So foldables just don't feel like a headache to use compared to what you're used to on a normal traditional slab phone. So yeah, I'm all here for it. Of course, display wise, both inner and outer displays are 120 Hz and they are using LTPO technology. But the main thing here is the fact that you do have the high refresh PWM pulse width modulation of 3840 Hz. So that's something when it comes to eye strain is going to be much kinder. That's one thing I'm really eager to see, and I think the brightness is around 1600 nits. I can't wait to test this display, but definitely the form factor is one that I'm very happy about to make it feel more usable as a normal phone. Now, specs and performance wise, this is based around the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This is the slightly refreshed one that's more refined, has better performance due to the time that it was out, 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. So definitely, this is not lacking when it comes to performance, especially for what most foldables are on at this period of time. So definitely eager to test out. The main thing I'm excited about, of course, is the camera. 50 megapixels on both with 20 megapixels on the zoom, 16 megapixels on the inner and the outer for the selfie. So when it comes to the camera comparisons and stuff that I want to do in tests, that's something that really matters to me. I really want to put that through the ringer to see how's the video performance, how's the photo performance, and overall, how does it actually behave? And then moving away from that, one thing that really impressed me about this is the fact that not just 66-watt charging, they managed to fit a 5000 milliamp hour battery in there. That's like one of the biggest I've seen in a foldable. So definitely, if you want to see what I do here with the extreme battery drain test and compare it to the other foldables, let me know in the comment section below. It's going to be an interesting one how to do it on a foldable, maybe half an hour with the inner display and the other half an hour on the outer display and calibrate them. Or maybe that's something that I'm going to explore and see. Let me know. Now look, this is just a quick early unboxing and impressions, and I have to say, I'm just glad the phone is here so we can really use it. We're going to put it through the ringer and test it. Let me know what you want to see on an Honor Magic V2. Wow, this probably might still the show as one of my favorite foldables. But yeah, stay tuned, stay locked, stay subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.